Hey guys, so I have a friend coming over for dinner and I want to throw over a quick healthy meal. She's doing like the Whole30, so I want to try to make something that's going to be guilt-free-ish, maybe a little bit guilt. I had some lettuce already ready to go in my fridge. Whenever I use these baggies, I always wash them and reuse them. But yeah, so I have kale marinating with a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil and salt. And I have my romaine. Again, I've talked to you guys about this, like have your stuff washed and dried and ready to go. Because now it's going to be a really quick meal and you're more apt to use it if it's all clean. Especially if you come home from a long day, you don't want to have to wash and prep all your veggies. Okay, cool. Let's chop it up. So I'm going to do some vegetables. I already have some radicchio already chopped. So now let's chop up some carrots. So when I do a chopped salad, I like all of my vegetables, like these kind of extra surroundings, to be like nice and uniform. So I'm actually going to use my chopper. Sorry guys, these are out of stock. They're sold out, but I'm in the process of trying to get some more for you guys. Let's do some cucumber. I love when all the veggies are uniform. Isn't that pretty? My mom always taught me that you see food before you eat it. So when it looks like this and it's all beautiful and uniform, I love that. In here we have our cucumber, red bell pepper, and carrots, okay? So now I'm gonna do a little feta cheese, which we're gonna chop straight in. Yay, beautiful. So when I do chopped salad, I like to make the lettuce like small and ribbony, kind of like that. You also cannot have a chopped salad without iceberg. Chopped salad, gotta have some iceberg in there. Perfect. Okay, so I like curly kale, but I like to kind of break it down with some lemon juice and olive oil, and I just keep it in my fridge in a baggie with lemon juice and olive oil, or else it's just like too tough. So this kind of like literally like marinates it and breaks it down. Radicchio. Let's add in our beautiful chopped vegetables. Look at how beautiful that is. Like, that's happiness to me. Some shaved celery. I had some prepped chicken in my fridge that I've already heated up. I've chopped and heated up. Okay. So we'll put that up, we'll put it on top at the end. So now we're gonna put in our olives. You really wanna make sure that they're like bone dry. They always come in the brine, and I don't want the brine getting all over my salad and changing the flavor. So I really make sure that those are really dry. Okay, let's mix this up and then we're gonna plate. So this is something that I've always remembered. When I first was on like my crazy health kick when I was writing the stash plan, this doctor I was working with said that walnuts are really good for your brain health. And what made me remember that is that they look like little brains. Okay. This is my herby vinaigrette that I showed you guys. Let's add this. And then we'll just salt, pepper, and plate. It's so easy. And by having these things already mostly ready, I have a beautiful, healthy dinner in no time. And my friend is going to be stoked. Oh my gosh, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. We're gonna plate this, top it with some chicken. Wow, that looks awesome. Oh my goodness. You guys, I wish you could smell this because it's... I love making a dressing with fresh herbs, because it just like really elevates it, and it's so easy to just make your own. Okay, I'm gonna taste this before my friend gets here to make sure we don't have to add anything. That's so good. Okay, I can't eat this before she gets here. That's amazing. All right, moving on.